Hi, nandito tayo sa Suke. Ito yung mountain overview sa City of Cannes. So makikita nyo yung Cannes dito. And dito naman yung sa yate. So makikita nyo malalaking yate dito sa mga mayayaman. And we're on top of a mountain. And this mountain, naka-held dito isang church. So ito yung church dito. So siguro still operating o naman siguro yung church. So guys, I'll show you around Cannes and travel with me.
Hello guys, welcome to my third vlog, and today we are at Cannes, aka the official headquarters ng mga rich people and main characters. Pero guys, hindi ganito kasosyal ang Cannes dati. Noon, simpleng fishing village lang siya. Walang yate, walang celebrities, walang don't look at me sunglasses, just fishermen living their best life. Catching fish, minding their business, wala kang competition sa Instagram guys. Then may British guy na si Lord Henry Brougham. Napadaan lang siya, then biglang sabi niya, wait, ang ganda dito ah. So he built a villa and syempre, he's rich and tinawag niya lahat yung friends niya. Ayun, biglang rich people convention ng Cannes. So guys, so I tried the crab and honestly, masarap naman siya. I ordered a Nutella with banana because I believe in making good life decisions. Healthy siya kasi may banana. So technically, balanced diet. So no regrets, no second thoughts, only happiness guys.
Hi, nandito tayo sa Suke. Ito yung church nila, ang entrance ng Suke dito guys. So as you can see here, this is a church and you can see the tower over here. So maganda to. So you makikita mo yung city below and you will see the whole Cannes above dito.
So guys, ganito ang mukha dito sa France. Paggabi ang daming lights, as in everywhere you look, may main character lighting. Feeling ko kahit wala akong ginagawa, may background music. So very pleasant to see. Parang kahit wala kang pera, wala kang direction in life, okay lang kasi at least aesthetic ka habang naliligaw. So guys, while naglaktaw ako, feeling na ako'y paparazzi. Pero paglingi na ako, CCTV radi ay, sige lang, close enough, famous in my own mind. Ha?
Hello guys, dito tayo sa Cannes. Ito yung famous na red carpet nila. So maraming artista pumupunta dito and like a lot of them are coming. Like busy sila pag summer. So sa mga tao dito sa residents, mga residente dito, maraming nakakita ng mga artista, mga musician, lahat na. So unfortunately, nandito ako sa January. Wala akong nakikita ng artista, ako lang. So, ayun. Guys, nandito ako sa street ng mga branded na mga bags and different things. So ito, makikita nyo maraming mga branded na mga stores. And so swerte sila. Hindi sila naabutan kasi close to sila ngayon. Gagastos sana ako ng maraming pera para makabili ng bagong bag pero oh my God! Ito yung hotel. Like mga artista dito sila nagsistay. Actually ngayon hindi lang ako nakapag-book eh.
No! God, please, no! No!
So, ito yung mga chains of hotel to. Marami pa tong mga hotel dito, guys.
So guys, small problem na off ko accidentally yung mic ko. So nawala ang boses ko. Basically, I was talking for free, no audience, no evidence. Just me and my main character speech. Anyways, this is the place where celebrities hang out after nila mag-red carpet sa Cannes Festival. Yes, dito magre-recover after pretending to be humble in front of the camera.
Doon ang walking street, guys. Papunta doon is going to the train station and everything. So, doon papunta sa sentro din.
So guys, these are some of the pictures that nakuha ko sa phone ko. Ito ang proof na I was there, hindi lang siya imagination or delusion. And guys, ito pala yung mga people who accommodated me during my France adventure. Honestly, sila ang mga reason na I survived because without them, baka siguro naligaw pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Emotionally and geographically. I'm very thankful sa kanila because they were kind enough to give me a nice experience in France. They helped me, guided me, and most importantly, tolerated me kasi it's not easy to accommodate someone, no? And they didn't just give me directions, they gave me character development. So if you're watching this, guys, thank you for not abandoning me. I really appreciate it. France was a beautiful country, but you guys made it less stressful and more survivable. Thank you, guys.